Photoshop. Just open up Photoshop. So basically, it's Unit 3 L2, U3L2. Okay. So again, I did ask you guys to record. So only 6 people out of the entire class, out of 52, and I'm talking both classes. Only 6 people did this. So yeah, kind of lame. But let's go ahead and get two together, because I promise you, while I do this, I promise you, people are going to be raising their hand and asking me to go behind them, and which I don't mind doing. Yes, ma'am? That's okay. You'll see them. You'll create them. Okay. New file. Is everybody ready to Photoshop? Okay. Love it. Okay. And by the way, this is being recorded. So new file. And on the top here, you may want to write colored circles. Colored circles. 1,000 by 1,000 pixels. Please make sure you choose pixels and not inches. 1,000 pixels, about 1,000 inches is about 180,000 pixels. Make sure you choose pixels. All right, at 72, and by the way, you guys, the advanced team, your project is going to be 300 DPI, PPI, okay? So 300 pixels per inch. Make sure it's a white background, or if you want to get creative, choose a different colored background. Okay?
They said that the only thing that is happening, 29th, we have a canned food drive, and then on the 21st is homecoming. We have a rally before that.
The 21st of September?
Of October.
Okay, yeah, we'll do that. Yes. I'm sorry? For you, you're doing coffee with the principal flyer. 8.5 by 12, 300 DPI. All right, so here it is right here, once again. If you guys want to choose a different color background, I'm going to use white. I'm going to click here. You can choose any colored background you want, okay? So if you're okay, if you got all the parameters here, press create. There we have it. Very cool. All right. Everybody got their canvas ready? Everybody good? Okay. Now, the next thing is, how many here have the ruler ready? See the ruler? Who here does not have a ruler? Okay, no problem. Basically, go to View and all the way down to Rulers. View, Rulers, or just simply press Command R. View, and then Rulers. Okay? Hey, Eder. No? Okay, we'll talk to him outside of class. Okay. What are you going to talk to him for? Don't put him... Oh, okay. All right, ruler, view, rulers. Everybody good? You're good, Darlene? You got the rulers? Good. Shh. Okay, listen up. Now we're going to create a tic-tac-toe. Anybody play tic-tac-toe? Nobody play tic-tac-toe? You guys don't know what Rolodex is either. All right, check it out. Now I'm going to create what is called guides. Guides. What are guides? I'm going to put the cursor up into the ruler, right about here. Watch as I do, and then do as you've watched. I'm going to click, and I'm going to drag down, and you see a line there. And you see a number to the right. That's the Y number. Go down up until 333. 3, and if it's 334, 335, 333.7, that's good. Why 333? Because we're going to create 9 circles. Okay? We're going to do this right here. Okay, so it's going to be 9 circles. It's going to be divided into 9 sections. Okay, does anybody need me to repeat? Okay, let me do it again. Okay, first and foremost, let's choose the Move tool. Let's choose the Move tool. Okay? Then 1,000 divided by 3 is, well, it's 333. It's not 333, but it's 333.3333. Okay. So we're just going to do the whole numbers. So I'm going to click into the ruler and drag it down. And then the Y coordinate, you see right there. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Click here, and then the Y coordinate will go to 333. There we go. And if it's 333, some people are so perfectionist they won't stop until they get 333.0. Well, huh? Okay. Hold on a second. So we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go all the way down to 666 over here. And if some of you guys are freaking out, you can choose 667, whatever. All right. Everybody got two parallel lines, 333 and 666. Who needs my help? Whose console is that? All right, and then you want to go to the ruler to the left, my left, okay, and then go ahead and do the same thing, 666, 333. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and drag from here, go to 666, and then 333. There we go. Okay. 333. Okay, so now we got our tic-tac-toe. There we go. Alrighty. Oh shoot, sorry. I'm sorry? It's usually after the intro. If anything, you should work on the intro. Okay, good job, everybody. Hopefully, everybody need my help or kind of. Okay. All right. So sorry, I got 1,000 things happening here. I also did notice I didn't do also, so it should fire up any minute. So, anyways, you see here, make sure ruler shows Command R. Okay, so you're going to drag guides respectively, and then what you're going to do is this one right here, create the new layer. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, you should have this workspace where all you have is layers and history. Okay, so you should make sure you have the layers and history shown. Alrighty, and then what you're going to do is layer, new layer. So let me go ahead and do that. Layer, new layer. Okay, let's make sure that's there. Okay, and then you'll have this dialog box. You can leave it at layer number 1. Okay, so I'll do it again. Layer, new layer, and then layer 1, just press OK. And then what's going to happen is on the right hand side, you'll see that new layer. Make sure it's highlighted. All right, so now we're going to talk about the elliptical tool. We're going to create our circle. So there you see it's highlighted up there. Hopefully you can see. Okay. So I'm going to bring my toolbar right up here so I don't have to move too far. And let me zoom in a little bit. So with the layer 1 layer selected, I'm going to go ahead. Now first of all, we're going to change a few things. If you have a marquee, a square rectangular marquee tool, all you got to do is press and hold on there, second one down, and select the elliptical marquee tool. Okay? Press and hold all the way down, elliptical marquee tool. And this is where some people kind of got lost with the paint bucket tool. Paint bucket tool is usually in the middle, but it's kind of hidden. If you happen to see this icon here, that's the gradient tool. We'll go into that later. But all you got to do is press and hold, and you'll see the paint bucket tool. Okay? That's that. Okay? So anybody need me to show them again? Is everybody good? Yes, ma'am. Sure. Which part? This part right here? Well, all you got to do is press and hold, and then you'll choose elliptical. Okay? For the paint bucket tool, it's right below the finger, right above the finger, okay, or whatever. Actually, I shouldn't say that, but it's you can count down. It can be the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th one down. I'm sorry, 13th one down. Press and hold, and then choose paint bucket tool. Okay, are you good, Darlene? You want me to go there? Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else while I'm over here? You're right there. Oh, Way to adjust it. So, you good? You good? Anybody else? Anybody else? You good? Anyone? No? Good? All right. No, yes, yes, no? Okay. All right, good. Well, I'm trusting that you're good. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create circles. So make sure layer 1 is selected. I'm going to click on the elliptical marquee tool. Watch first and then do. Now when it comes to circles, I can do any shape circles. You see that right there? Okay? Any shape. So if I do this, okay, and I let go, watch the cursor. I let go. What I like to do is refer these as marching ants. Okay? They're like ants that are marching. And if you look at the cursor inside the marching ants as opposed to outside, it changes. This is the move tool, so now I can move it. Okay, everybody try it. Okay, everybody try it. Are we good over there? Jasmine, you good? You got it? Okay, don't worry, we'll show you. Okay, thank you. All right, you can just chill.
Did you see it? Is it fine?
What?
No,
I haven't seen it yet. I can't right now, but I will definitely look at it. Okay. So Halloween is going to be the first. I think we'll skip September. We'll go to Halloween.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So now, how to get rid of the marching ants? Command D as in dog, D as in David, or you can press Select, Deselect up here. Select, Deselect. It might be easier, so then the marching ants disappear. So let's do it again. Okay, let's do it again. I'm clicking on the marquee tool, and then I'm just going to drag it. Okay? So it's not the perfect circle yet. So now, watch this. If I want to move it to the right a little bit by nudging it, I use the arrow key. See how if you press on the right arrow key, it kind of just moves? And then the left arrow key, it moves. And if I want it to move more than a pixel at a time, I can press the Shift key. Okay, if you see right here, make a perfect circle. Okay, I can say, use the arrow keys right here behind you to move marquee 1 pixel at a time. Okay, press and hold the Shift key to move 5 pixels at a time. All right, so everybody try that. Press and hold, and I notice how it kind of moves farther. All right. And then don't forget Command D. All right. So go ahead and click out, and there you have it. Now let me show you how to do the perfect circle. The perfect circle has equal width and height. And I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. I'm going to press and hold the Shift key, And look at this. I'm going to go ahead and notice my width and height are all the same. Press and hold the Shift key. There you go, and then you let go. So that is a perfect circle right there. Everybody do that, please. You're good? Huh? Are you good? Okay, I'll do it again. Press and hold the Shift key. Okay, press and hold the Shift key and then drag all the way across the first quadrant. Okay? You good, Jasmine? You want me to go there? Okay, everybody here good? You good? You good? You good? You good? Harmony, you good? Press and hold Shift key. All right, now let's go ahead and give it some color. All right, so let's go ahead and click on the color tool right here, the color palette. So if you're happy with the color over there, you can click on the foreground and choose a color of your choice. Alrighty, and then press OK. Remember, the top box right here is the actual color. The bottom box is something else. Okay, press OK. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the, okay, so once you've selected your color, you're going to click on the paint bucket tool, and then you will click here. Now, hopefully you have selected the layer 1. Now, let the marching ants keep marching. Do not touch the marching ants. Let it keep marching. Okay? No more marching ants? Okay? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Say, for instance, okay, you lost the marching ants. Oh my God, marching ants are gone. I can just go to my history tool. Okay? These are marching ants. Go up one, and there I have right there. Those are the marching ants. All right, watch this. Next thing I'm going to do, layer, new layer. Layer, new layer. We got layer 2. Layer, new layer. There we go. And now, if the marching ants are still marching, remember, a lot of times I want to keep the same dimension, same exact numbers for the shape. Okay, so I'm going to click on the marquee tool right here. It's clicked. And then what I'm going to do, watch this everybody. If I move the cursor into the circle, and you got a white cursor now, I'm going to drag and move the marquee by itself. Okay, and notice the pink will kind of guide you so that it's aligned with the left circle, and I let go. Now I've got another marching ant. I've got a new layer. I'm going to go ahead and color it in a different color, and boom, there we go. Leave the marching ants marching. Everybody try it. Anybody else? Okay. Some of you guys will already have. All right, anybody else? So go ahead and create circles for all 9 spots. Now, some of you, to watch this, some of you did this. Okay, you moved it. You have a different color. You did that good. Okay, so let me choose green. And then what you didn't do was you forgot to create the new layer. And if you notice right here, okay, it's 2 circles in the same layer. Use the history tool. Okay, go out, go up until it turns into a marquee tool. Add the new layer, and then color it again. That'll fix it. So use the history tool. This is an exercise for the history tool. So create 9 layers, please.